Now, S block elements class 11 based on West Bengal Board most important 40 MCQ question. S block elements are a group of elements in the periodic tables that have their valence electron in the orbitals. Okay, the S block includes the element in group 1 and group 2, which are also known as alkali metals and alkaline earth metal. Alkali metal lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Alkaline earth metals beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Okay, now S block element include group 1 and group 2. Group 1 called alkali metal, group 2 called alkaline earth metal. The S block elements are the elements in which all intrinsic electron cells are completely occupied and the last valence electron moves into the s orbital of the external cell. These elements are suggest as alkaline metal and alkaline earth metal based on having one electron, that is ns1, and two electron ns2 in their outermost orbital respectively. Example of alkaline metals: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Okay, but atomic number follow the one type of the pattern, that is 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay, lithium atomic number 3, adding 8, atomic number of sodium 11, adding 18, atomic number of potassium 19, adding 18, atomic number of rubidium 37, adding 18, atomic number of cesium, atomic number of cesium 55, adding 32, atomic number of francium 87. Okay, follow the pattern 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay, as the name suggests, oxide of the alkaline earth metals have alkaline properties. This element from basic solutions in water naturally occur in their earth crust. Example of alkaline earth metal, that is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, follow the same pattern in atomic number series, that is atomic number of beryllium 4, adding 8, atomic number of magnesium 12, adding 8, atomic number of calcium 20, adding 18, atomic number of strontium 38, adding 18, atomic number of barium, that is 56, adding 32, adding 32, atomic number of rubidium 88. Follow the pattern 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay, some very important MCQ question answer follow this pattern. Okay, alkali metal francium symbol Fr, radioactive element, and alkaline earth metal radium Ra, radioactive element. So S block element francium, Fr, and radium, alkaline earth metal, radium also radioactive element. Okay, now discuss the part for MCQ type question and answer. Question number 1. Which of the following metal is not an alkali metal? Magnesium. Magnesium is the alkali earth metal, but rubidium, sodium, cesium, alkali metal. So the number A is the appropriate answer for this question. Next question. Alkali metal have the biggest atomic radii. This statement is true. Due to the electronic configuration of alkali metal, that is the group 1 NS1. So the radius, atomic radius is biggest. So the answer A is the appropriate. So this statement is true. Next question, question number 3. The melting point of alkali metal is option B, very low. Due to the alkali metal electronic configuration NS1, so the melting point is very low. Next question, question number 4. Is the removal of second electronic difficult in alkali metal? It is answer yes. Due to the electronic configuration of alkali metal NS1, so the outer of the cell number 1 electron, valence cell electron 1, so the before cell, so the electron configuration of noble gas. So the second electron removal is very difficult. Now the part electronic configuration of sodium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. That is general noble gas electron configuration ns2, np6. Okay. Due to reason, the second electron removal is very difficult. Question number 1. Which of the following metal is not an alkali metal? Magnesium. Magnesium is the alkali earth metal, but rubidium, sodium, cesium, alkali metal. So the number A is the appropriate answer for this question. Next question. Alkali metal have the biggest atomic radii. This statement is true. Due to the electronic configuration of alkali metal, that is the group 1 NS1. So the radius, atomic radius is biggest. So the answer A is the appropriate. So this statement is true. Next question, question number 3. The melting point of alkali metal is option B, very low. Due to the alkali metal electronic configuration NS1, so the melting point is very low. Next question, question number 4. Is the removal of second electronic difficult in alkali metal? It is answer yes. Due to the electronic configuration of alkali metal NS1, so the outer of the cell number 1 electron, valence cell electron 1, so the before cell, so the electron configuration of noble gas. So the second electron removal is very difficult. Now the part electronic configuration of sodium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. That is general noble gas electron configuration ns2, np6. Okay. Due to reason, the second electron removal is very difficult. Question number 5. Alkali metals are strongly electropositive. Okay. Due to the electron configuration of alkali metal NS1, so out of the valence shell electron 1, it is very easily removed of one electron of the outer shell, so the alkali metal electropositive. Okay, the example for sodium Na plus. Okay, next question, alkaline earth metals, so plus one oxidation state and their atomic volume dash down the groove, that is option C, decrease. Okay, that is alkaline earth metals, so plus oxidation state and their atomic volume decrease down the groove, that is option C is the appropriate answer for the question. Question number 7, does the degree of hydration depend upon the size of the cation? That is option A. That is yes. The size of the cation depend for the hydration, degree of hydration. Explain for this part, relative degree of the hydration in an increasing order, lithium ion, that is cation, greater than sodium cation, greater than potassium cation, greater than rubidium cation, greater than cesium cation. Next question, the flame of the cesium is an the color dash. Option D, that is color blue. Next question, cesium has the highest electrical conductivity in its group, that is option A. This statement is true. Due to the reason, due to the presence of loosely held valence electron, which are free to move throughout the metal structure, the alkali metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Electrical conductivity increases from top to bottom in the order. So, the cesium has the highest electrical conductivity in its group. Cesium follow the electronic configuration, that is NS1, follow the alkali metal. Electronic configuration follow the alkali metal. Next question, all alkali metal are good dash reagent, reducing agent. Due to the explain for this part, all the alkali metals are good reducing agent due to their low ionization energies. The reducing character of the group 1 elements follow the increasing order of sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and lithium. Okay, next question. What happens when alkali metal are exposed to moisture air? That is the option B. That is formation of oxides. Okay, next question. Sodium peroxide is dash in color and potassium peroxide is used as the source of dash. That is option D. That is sodium peroxide yellow in color and potassium superoxide is used as the source of oxygen. Okay, due to this explain for this part, sodium peroxide yellow color due to the presence of superoxide as the impurity. Potassium superoxide is used as the source of oxygen in submarine, space, satellites, and the emergency breathing aperture as the oxygen mask. Okay, next question. Which of the following is true regarding the reactivity order of alkali metal towards hydrogen. Option B, lithium less than sodium, less than potassium, less than rubidium, less than cesium. Due to the excellence for this part, 2 moles of alkali metal react with 1 moles of hydrogen molecule in order to form 2 moles of alkali metal hydride. Okay, the carry total of the reactivity of alkali metal towards hydrogen, lithium, less than sodium, less than potassium, less than rubidium, less than cesium. Next question number 14. Lithium fluoride is dash in water. That is option C, insoluble. Lithium fluoride is insoluble in water. Okay. Next question number 15. Alkali metal dissolving in ammonia liquid gives the blue solution. This is due to the formation of ammoniate. That is option C. That is metal cation and electrons. Okay. Next question. Which of the compounds is known as scaled lime? That is calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole 2. Option C is the right answer. Next question. Which of the ions have maximum hydration energy? Option D, beryllium, Be2 plus, that beryllium cation. Okay. Next question. As compared to potassium, sodium has, that is option A, that is higher ionization potential. Okay. Next question. Which one is the most stable carbonate? That is option A, barium carbonate, BaCO3. Next question. Plaster of Paris, okay, is D, that is CaSO4 half H2O. Okay, CaSO4 half H2O. Okay. Next question. Which oxide is amphoterite oxide? That is option C. That is beryllium oxide. Amphoterite oxide, that is so the acidic form and basic form. Okay. Next question. We show the diagonal relationship with B, that is aluminum. Okay. Next question. The tendency. Question number 23. The tendency to lose their valence electron easily by the alkali metal makes them option A, strong reducing agent. Next question. Which one is known as the fusion moisture? That is option D, sodium carbonate and potassium carbonate, Na2CO3 and K2CO3. Option D is the right answer. Next question number 25. Find the incorrect tendency for the alkaline earth metal. Option B, second ionization energy for beryllium less than magnesium, less than calcium, less than strontium. Okay, my dear viewers. Question number 26. Which alkaline earth metal is a component of chlorophyll? Option D, magnesium. Magnesium is the component of chlorophyll. Next question number 27. Which of the enlist compounds is termed as selectline? Calcium hydroxide, that is formula CaOH whole 2. Next question, question number 28. Which of the elements below has the most electropositive properties? That is CS, cesium. ঠিক আছে? That is, as the element is the large in size. Okay, cesium has least electrophoton attraction, causing it to easily lost its electron to it in the most stable state. Okay, thus making it is highly electropositive element. Okay, next question, question number 29. When dissolved in liquid ammonia, which color do alkaline metal turn of deep blue? Okay, due to alkaline metals turn to deep blue color as the alkali atom easily lost the valence electron, that is outer of the shell of the atom. Okay, in liquid ammonia, it combines with ammonia to form ammoniate cation. Okay, and ammoniate electrons. The solution turned deep blue due to the presence of ammoniate electron. Okay, next question. Which alkaline earth metal predominantly form covalent compound? That is option C, beryllium. Okay, due to the explain, the beryllium is the small in size and contain only 2 electrons in the outermost valence shell. Considering it has a high charge to size ratio, beryllium has a high polarizing potential compared to other elements, that is the resultly from covalent compound. Okay, which is solvent process used for? That is option A, manufacturing of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate formula Na2CO3. Okay, next question. Which of the below mentioned oxide is amphoteric? That is beryllium oxide. Okay, due to explain, beryllium oxide has both basic and acidic properties. Beryllium is the only alkaline earth metal that is insoluble and non-reactive in water. Because the size of this element is small and ionization energy is high relative to other elements of the group. Next question, question number 33. Which of the below mentioned alkali metal has least melting point? Okay, option D. Okay, due to explain, the size of the metal is inversely proportional to the strength of its metallic bond. As the result of the metal increases, metallic bonding decreases, and vice versa. As the size of the cesium is the biggest, the melting point is low, that is lowest melting point. Next question, beryllium in alkaline earth metal, that is S group, that is group 2. Beryllium show a diagonal relationship with which of the following element? Aluminium. Beryllium and aluminium are placed in the second and third period of the periodic table, respectively, displaying a diagonal placement. They have similar ionization size, that is, similar ionic size and charge ratio. Both metals exhibit tendency to form covalent bond. Okay. Next question 35. Which of the below maintained alkali metals from hydride salt? Lithium. Due to explain for this part, lithium is the smallest in the amount of the alkali metal. Okay. Thus, it exhibits the highest charge density due to the atomic number 3. Attract the water molecules strongly compared to other alkali metals cation. Okay. Next question. Question number 36. Which of the following metals is the flex bulbs were made of Mg, that is magnesium? Due to explain for this part, magnesium filaments are used to bulbs filled with oxygen gas. These filaments react with oxygen to form a compound called magnesium oxide, MgO. The bright white light is a result of this exothermic reaction. Upon ignition, magnesium releases a lot of heat in the form of light. Next question, question number 37. Which one of the below mentioned carbonates has the most stability? That is barium carbonate. Okay. Barium carbonate formula BaCO3. Explain for this part for the reason of the question. Moving down the periodic table, the electropositives of the alkaline earth metals increases. Correspondingly, the thermal stability also increases. Okay, as the positive ions get bigger down the periodic table, their effect on the near carbonate ion declines. Thus, the barium carbonate has the most thermal stability. Okay, next question, question number 38. Which superoxide of the following alkali metal is used as an air purifier in spacecraft? That is potassium, that is K. Due to excellent for the question, potassium peroxide is used in the oxygen cylinder of the spacecraft as it absorbs carbon dioxide. Okay, and release pure oxygen at high altitude, thus purifying the air. Okay, next question, question number 39. Why does blazing powder lose its efficiency in long term? That is the option D. It transforms into calcium chloride and calcium carbonate. Formula: calcium chloride CaCl2 and calcium carbonate CaCO3. Okay, due to explain, bleaching powder is unstable and long standing, reducing its chloride content. Okay, due to auto oxidation, it's transferred into calcium chloride and calcium carbonate. Okay, next question. Which of the following magnetic properties do alkaline earth metal exhibit? Diamagnetic. Due to explain for this question, the absence of unpaired electrons and noble gas configuration makes alkaline earth metals diamagnetic. My dear viewers, any query, please comment in box. Also, to take the PDF form of the study material, okay, please comment in box. Thank you, my dear viewers. Okay.